So in the upcoming months, we are gonna see many flip-style foldable phones being launched. But thanks to our beloved leakster, we already got a look at the Motorola Razr Ultra 2026, or we can also say Razr 70 Ultra. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. So looking at the Razr Ultra 2026, it's pretty identical design. In fact, you may not even notice a difference compared to its predecessor. On the front, there is a punch hole style foldable display said to be 7 inches like its predecessor, and bezel thickness we used to see on flip phones. On the back, like before, the top half of the handset has covered with the screen having cutouts for 2 cameras and a flashlight. By the way, the cover screen is set to remain the same 4 inches. Now, though the design language is going to be the same as its predecessor, but we can say the Razr Ultra 2026 or Razr 70 Ultra is a bit more polished, like we can see a refined camera module. Now, that's totally okay, the design is good. However, there is one thing that may concern you: the thickness. So you see, the brands are working on offering a slim foldable phone with every passing generation. Like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is now at 13.7mm when folded and just 6.5mm when not. However, the upcoming Motorola Razr Ultra will be a thicker device. So it is said to be 7.8mm when unfolded compared to its predecessor's 7.2mm. That's a notable difference. While in the folded state, it will be 15.8mm compared to 15.7mm. So overall, compared to Samsung's Z Flip 7, that's a noticeable gap. Now, for this change, there could be possible reasons. Might be Motorola wants to fit a bigger battery, some camera hardware upgrades, or Qi2 support. Otherwise, this could be disappointing for the fans. Anyway, this is how the Motorola Razr Ultra 2026, or for China, its Razr 70 Ultra will look. But we still lack the major specs like its chipset, battery, etc. And if it follows its predecessor's launch time frame, we could say it's sometime in April. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.